Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by ensuring the basics are safe and ready. Check that the fuel is the correct type and ratio. A wrong mix fouls the engine. Once done, inspect the spark plug and air filter for carbon or clogging and scan wiring for loose connections. Make sure the bike is stable on the center stand. If you'll be working near electrics, disconnect the battery. Now you can move to the engine itself. Don't delay, begin with the intake and ignition. You'll next access internal systems and gather measurements to pinpoint issues. Remove panels and the intake boot. Keep screws labeled so reassembly is smooth. Use a compression gauge to measure cylinder pressure, spray carb cleaner to find leaks, and a multimeter to test ignition coil and kill switches. Once you have baseline readings, clean carb jets and fuel lines, and inspect valves for proper clearance. These steps reveal whether the problem is fuel delivery. You now make the repairs and finalize tuning to get the engine running reliably. Replace any worn spark plug or ignition coil, rebuild or thoroughly clean the carburetor and set the float and idle. Adjust valve lash to manufacturer spec, then reassemble panels and reconnect the battery. Prime the fuel, open choke as needed, and start the engine. Listen for smooth idle and stable revs. If it still won't start, check spark timing, confirm good compression, and verify fuel is reaching the carburetor. This single troubleshooting tip often finds the culprit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.